Y'all hear that sizzle? If you can smell it. Oh, it smell good, Sue? What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video. As y'all can see by the title, I am doing a cook with me video. But wait, okay. We got my baby here. She's helping out today. Say hey. I always help her. I make tacos the best. You do. I don't know. Because I know how to season well. So before we even start, I know I'm doing keto, but a bitch wants some motherfucking taco. Thumbs this video up if y'all like my taco. Well, ding, our tacos. Ding, ding, ding. Thumb it up. Comment down below how y'all make yours. Whatever y'all want to say, just comment down below. Stop. I'm like rubbing you and you supple. Soft. Supple? Soft. And just, ooh. We are having carne asada tacos. So I'm about to show y'all the ingredients. We got some carne asada, of course. We got some seasonings. We got onion powder, black pepper, some
ooh, look, you about to waste our little bit that we got.
Shut up. Some carne asada seasoning. We tried this like once, huh?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah.
It got lime in it too.
That's what I forgot to get. But some garlic powder. We got lettuce, tomato. I don't eat what's this? Guacamole.
I make it since that's an avocado.
Yeah, I don't eat this. Okay. Cilantro. I like mozzarella cheese. Jaquel likes a Mexican blend. A little bit of onion for her. I don't eat onions either. Some tortillas and some sour cream.
Tillamook.
And now we are going to go ahead and get motherfucking started.
I know I got the flickers.
The what?
Flickers.
I'm not doing keto tonight. I'm having tacos, and I for sure got my Chardonnay, so don't judge me.
What I will do for you YouTubers is wash my hands first.
Carne asada, Latrice seasoning. Just a little flick of the wrist, flick of the wrist. It smells like lime. I can smell it. Yeah, I got a little water there. And then I use my garlic powder. I use my onion powder. You kind of like, you know what you're doing a little bit. But do you though, for real?
Girl, you know I do.
You does this?
Anybody that know me.
You does this?
Yeah, and anybody that knows me and is watching this know that I got the flick of the fucking wrist.
Okay.
So don't even try to front.
I ain't trying to front. I just tell you, like, you know what you're doing.
A little pepper. You know. Then I repeat on the other side.
Repeat process. You said that?
Like flavor in this household. Nothing bland. Ain't that right, shoot?
Yeah.
Y'all gotta get y'all women that know how to cook, man. She can't cook. She ain't moving with that spoon, blood. She ain't the one. How you gonna be in love and you hungry? That's hard. You can't even focus right. You can't even focus on the love. Cause you starving. Or your body ain't acting right because y'all always eating out. You know what? McDonald's or something. Do I use garlic powder already?
I don't know, but if not, it's okay.
Girl, don't try to act like my stuff get too, and then I work my way. You know, I work it in a little bit. You know?
Are you like rub it in?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know, meat. This meat gonna cook real fast because it's already thin.
Yeah.
And there you go. Your mama's pussy.
Wait a minute, what you doing?
You gotta preheat the fire.
I was finna talk to the people. Anyway, so I already cut up our produce stuff. Toppings, produce. No, it's not toppings.
Whatever, y'all know what it is. They eat tacos.
It ain't a pizza.
You ain't gotta be proper.
Yeah.
They know. I'm just putting a little, what's this? Great value extra virgin
Great
olive
value.
oil. Yeah, great value. Great value edition. Extra virgin olive oil in the skillet like such.
It's like so, not such.
Such so.
Like so.
They already know.
So what are you doing?
Ooh, shit, I didn't know these pieces was gonna be that big.
Yeah, they do look bigger now than the little ass fucking skillet.
I know, you should have gave me a bigger skillet, but we don't do what it is. Yep. So right now I'm cooking the meat, browning it. I'm gonna brown it.
Y'all know Jaquel always talking that shit like she a fucking chef. Like she worked at the fucking Gordon Ramsay shit.
You
Browning it.
You a jealous ass heifer. Huh. You like being jealous all the time? I told you to go for a more natural look. My stomach feels tight. Y'all here because you ate too much. Used to lay off the pork. Smooches.
It might smell good, don't mean it might taste good.
Girl, shut up, Byrd. If they be watching your videos, they know.
Ouch!
Well, back that ass up. That's all you do. That's how you do.
That's it?
With that kind of solid. How do I feel about YouTube? YouTube is okay. YouTube is pretty okay with me, you know. YouTube is pretty okay with me. I can't really. The reason why she turned into Byrd Latrice channel is because I couldn't really be a part of it like that, kind of, you know. I work. I wasn't really into the videos as much. as she was. I wasn't always ready to record. Me, I'm like a more visual person. Like if I ain't seeing no results in this, then I ain't gonna want to do it no more, really. Like, I got real life, real bills, and real things to do, so it's kind of discouraging when things don't go as fast as you thought it was gonna be, or be as easy as you thought it was gonna be. So YouTube ain't for everybody, but it's cool though. I don't mind jumping in the video here and there. Comment down below if you think we should do our couple channel again. Alright, y'all. I finally scissored up the meat. And it's all done. And you feel me? We'll be right back, man. With another mother.
Oh yeah, that look good. Let me get a little taste.
Y'all want a little taste of something? Your hands clean?
Yes. That is good. Pour some oil here. Flip them over. Make sure they get like a little crisp on each side.
Y'all know how to make taco shells.
And that's it. Some people don't. You know, make sure it's like, you know, all coated good. Once it gets hot, put these bad boys in and let them go.
Let them flip.
Hold on, get them biting my taco.
Cause I'm the best guacamole maker. Y'all see this right here? Y'all think see shit.
Show them. They're nasty ass shit.
Girl, here.
Oh.
That's not what you don't eat.
They probably like 4 tacos each. I just put 4 on my thing because the Kel eat 4 and then she eat my 2. So she eats 6, she eats 6.
She lying. That's the best guacamole right there, boy. I can't even tell y'all my secret, but it's something that y'all should know. There it is. That's it. The next video should be how'd you feel when you met me?
How I feel?
How'd you feel?
Pressure.
Bitch, knock it off.
Titties on the back.
Hello, y'all. We're back.
So our tacos came out perfect.
Did they? Forgot my guacamole, but I'll put it on later. It's in this container.
I don't eat guacamole, so. Okay, so we're gonna take a bite together, okay?
Well, somebody yours, come on.
No, a bite of each of ours. Take one bite, I take one bite, and we're gonna tell them how it tastes. Ready?
No, they ain't resting, Hoagie.
Yeah. Bring it up. They want to see you eat that shit. You gonna hide.
I ate it.
They want to see you bite that shit good.
I mean, I was trying to pull the shell.
No. What? Good or what? How I do?
That's good.
How we do?
We did good.
You gonna season it?
Oh, you like that? That's why my shit don't taste right.
Well,
You ain't put no sour cream on my taco.
I did on the bottom. You know how you spread it? Good.
Oh.
You want more on top?
No, I got it, baby. Like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell, ring. No, like, subscribe, ring the bell for my baby. Tell a friend to tell her baby daddy's cousin, sister, and her cousin Tracy to subscribe.
You're gonna have a cousin Tracy.
Then tell her to tell a friend to tell her coworker that worked behind the desk at Walmart.
What if she ain't got a job?
We'll tell her at the fucking unemployment office, at the motherfucking welfares, while she picking up the food stamps for the 5 kids. I know she getting about $600 for them.
Bye, y'all.
Tell her to like it though.
See you on the next video.